Again. All right, y'all. It is, what is today? The 19th of April. No starter. No starter today. Let's look at the summary page. Okay, the objective is exactly the same as it's been the last couple of days. Create a political cartoon representing the conflict in Korea. North Carolina Standard Course of Studies, construct charts, graphs, historical narratives to explain particular events or issues over time. Unit is Asia. Statement of inquiry, governance throughout time and place impacts expression. Okay. Your synchronous work today in class, no starter. You're going to work on the political cartoon, and then we'll do the ticket out the door. Your asynchronous work is to complete. Now you must complete. This should be done in your digital notebook by 10 p.m. tonight. 10 p.m. tonight. So if you're doing it on paper, you should take a picture and put it on page, whatever page that is, 127 in your digital notebook. Okay. And I'm going to go over again. I'm going to go over those expectations right now. So here we go. So again, it is due today. Do not forget, and I'll go over this rubric as well. So everybody should be on page 127 in your digital notebook. If you have a separate sheet of paper that you're working on this with, that's okay. That's fine, okay? But again, you're going to create a political cartoon representing your assigned event from page 126, Korea slideshow. So everybody was assigned an event 2 through 8. Okay, you receive one of those events, and that's the one that you're focusing on. And that event, okay, you must have the following. You must have a completed tacos organizer below your political cartoon. Some students have asked if they could do that organizer before. That's a great idea, because then you can make sure that you represent all that information in your political cartoon. But again, here's the rubric. It is valued at 10 formal points. Okay, so it's a formal grade. Your political cartoon itself. Is your time present, clear, and accurate? Put the date, put the year. If the year is not in the notes, look up the year and what you should put for that year. Okay. Are there actions that are represented in there, such as My Japan reaching out and taking Korea? Okay. That would be an action. Are there captions that help determine what's going on in the political cartoon? And are all these things accurate? Are they clear? Is it easy to read? Okay, are there objects that help communicate the information? And then is your interpretation, if I look at your political cartoon, am I able to determine what's going on and interpret your political cartoon accurately? Okay, and then is your tacos organizer well written and accurate and clear? Okay, each category is valued at 2 points for a total of 10 points. Okay, again, that is due tonight by 10 p.m. You should have that done in your digital notebook, okay, by 10 p.m. There's not a submit button, anything like that, but you should have it in your digital notebook on page 127, finished, finalized, polished, perfect by 10 p.m. Any questions, y'all? Any questions about that and those expectations? And again, I can show y'all my amazing one again as an example. I know y'all want to see it again. Oh yeah, there you go. Now, again, this does not get full credit. Okay, it's too sloppy. My captions are not clear. My objects are top hats, which there's no correlation between Japan and top hats in Korea. But I wonder if there's a more traditional hat for Japan I could have put on there, or Korea, to represent greater these countries or these regions. Okay, all right. So again, that's my example, but you see the actions, the symbolism behind it, the date. In fact, my date is wrong too. That should be 1910, because in 1910, Japan had control of Korea. In 1904, the Soviet Union and Japan were fighting over Korea. Okay. But anyways, if I'm going to get picky on this, I give myself like a 65%, maybe a 70%, maybe. So that's setting the stage for what I expect from y'all. Add color too. Y'all should have a great product, because I'm giving you way too much time to work on this. Way too much time. Go take it out the door now. That way we're all set. And make sure that you complete this accurately. This confirms you know the expectations for today, what the objective is, and what the asynchronous work is, which again is to complete 127 political cartoon please take that now. That will help increase your grades slowly but surely. Each of these tickets out the door will benefit you in throughout the quarter. Okay. Your grades should also be fairly accurate in Canvas and PowerSchool. So double check that and see. Probably haven't put in grades for some of the starters and tickets out the door from last week, but I'll be doing that soon. All right, y'all. Stay on, please. Okay, those at home, stay on, stay engaged. Questions, please put them in the chat so I can support you any way possible. Okay, but that is it. I want y'all to focus on that. I want you to get this done. Honestly, you should get this done today in class. Okay, that's your goal. Get done during class so you can have it in there and not have to worry about it tonight at all. Okay. All right. Thank you.